Looking for the best bikini trimmers for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 bikini trimmers that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a bikini trimmers that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended bikini trimmers. Number 1 on the list is Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle. It won't take long to see why the Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle is our editor's choice for best women's bikini trimmer. This 2-in-1 product means so much less hassle. As a woman, you most likely need a razor. So why buy 2 products when you can use just one? On one side of this product, there is a razor with replaceable razor heads. Then, on the other side is a bikini trimmer. You can start with your legs and finish with your bikini area with the same product. The Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle is battery powered, but thanks to its waterproof design, you can use it in the shower. This helps a lot as it saves you from the unnecessary cleanup. There are 4 length settings on the trimmer, which is a feature not found in the base model. Having a choice is always a bonus. Another highlight is the battery life. Many users report not having to replace the battery in over 2 years. The razor function also comes highly recommended. And while you will have to replace the razor head every 1 to 3 months. This package comes with 3 extra razor heads which will save you time and money. The only real downside to the Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle is that it can get a bit grimy over time. If you keep it in the shower, take it out once a month to give it a good cleaning. You will add life to the product and ensure a healthier hair trimming experience. Second on the list is Panasonic ES2207P. The Panasonic ES2207P is a standalone trimmer product, but its price and durability make it our top pick for the best value in a bikini trimmer. The mechanics of the Panasonic ES2207P are pretty impressive. It has 3 sharp blades and ultra-thin foil that allows you to contour the razor right along your skin. There is no worry about nicks or scratches. The result instead is a close shave that is actually very comfortable. You can use the Panasonic ES2207P not only for your bikini area, but for under the arms, over your legs, or any place on your body that has hair. What's more, there is a pop-up trimmer that is perfect for harder to reach areas. The Panasonic ES2207P is waterproof, so you can use it either in the shower or, if you prefer, just in the bathroom for a dry shave. The versatility is quite welcome. If you have sensitive skin, then this is definitely a product for you. The blades are hypoallergenic, and when paired with sensitive shaving cream, you won't have any issues using this product. There's a lot going for this product, but you will need to remember to charge it after using it. It takes a whopping 12 hours to charge to peak capacity. And that charge only results in 20 minutes of usage. Basically, if you forget to charge the Panasonic ES2207P after using it, then go to use it again, there's a good chance it won't work for very long. Number 3 on the list is Finishing Touch Flawless Body. Some people like to trim their bikini area while others like to shave. If you like to have the option of both, the Finishing Touch Flawless Body is the perfect choice. The Finishing Touch Flawless Body has a shaving head as its mainstay, but you can quickly swap it out for one of its great trimmer attachments. The 2 attachments allow you to choose between 3mm and 5mm in length. Other attachments include a sense guard that you can use for very sensitive areas. There is also a cleaning brush to remove any hairs after use. To keep the Finishing Touch Flawless Body running, this device uses a rechargeable battery. Simply plug it in when finished and it will be ready when you next need it. There are a USB cord and a wall plug, giving you plenty of charging options. One aspect that really makes the Finishing Touch Flawless Body stand out from the competition is its construction. The body of the trimmer is actually plated with 18 karat gold. Not only is this pretty to look at, but it makes the trimmer hypoallergenic and perfect for sensitive skin. There is also a built-in LED light on the side. No matter what light you're using the trimmer in, you will be able to see what you're doing. All in all, this is a great product. It just loses a few points with the shaver. The shave isn't as close as could be. Perhaps if all you're looking for is a trimmer, then the finishing touch flawless body is definitely worth it. Number 4 on the list is Philips BikiniGenie BRT383/50, sometimes simplicity wins out. In this case, our pick for the best electric bikini trimmer is the Philips BRT383/50. It is a no-nonsense device. It works well, is affordable, and has a cute, purple design. There may not be a lot of bells and whistles, but it works, and that's all that matters. The Philips BRT383/50 is very easy to use. Simply turn it on with the press of a button, and turn it off with the same button. You can use this bikini trimmer on both wet and dry skin. It is waterproof, so feel free to bring it into the shower. There are no cords or charging stations to get in the way of performance. The Philips BRT383/50 uses AA batteries, which last a surprisingly long time. It is small and very portable, making it ideal for travel. While this is a basic bikini trimmer, your purchase does come with some additional accessories. Included is a handy travel pouch, making it even easier than ever to tuck into your suitcase. Also included are 2 trimming combs. These easily click on and trim hair to either 3mm or 5mm. Finally, if you want to both trim and shave your bikini area, there is also a mini shaver head. While this addition is nice, it's not an amazing razor. It's best to just use the Philips BRT383/50 as a bikini trimmer and invest in a more durable and reliable shaver in addition. Number 5 on the list is Remington WPG4030C. Looking to upgrade your search for the best bikini hair trimmer? Start with the Remington WPG4030C. This is not merely a bikini trimmer. Instead, it is a trimming kit. In addition to the basic trimmer head, you receive a whole package of grooming tools. Included are a gentler trimmer for hard-to-reach areas, a detail trimmer to perfect the best bikini line, a foil shaver for intimate shaving, and an exfoliator for clean, soft skin. No matter how you plan on shaping your bikini area, there is a tool included for you. The Remington WPG4030C also comes with a handy travel bag. Simply place your trimmer and accessories in the bag, pop it in your suitcase, and you are ready to have an amazing adventure. For power, the Remington WPG4030C is a rechargeable device. Simply place it back in its docking station when you're done with it so that it will be fully charged and ready for its next use. While this function means you never have to worry about running out of batteries, it can be a bit of a hassle if you plan on using the Remington WPG4030C exclusively in the shower. You can't just leave this bikini trimmer where you use it, otherwise it won't be charged for your next session. One other thing to consider is that you may not need all of the attachments. Most people just need a bikini trimmer, and while the other options are great, they are not often used. Be sure to purchase the tool that you will use the most. Just now is a list of 5 best bikini trimmers that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.